Hey guys, got a bit more time this time so we can really have a look at this kit in depth of what you get with these Mantic clutches, and it's just a really nice system and I love installing these clutches. So all our kits come with a new flywheel, bolts, everything's included. So if you have a sort of VE Series 1, it'll be this sort of flywheel. If you have a VE Series 2 or VF, it's going to be a dual mass delete. So slightly different flywheel and a slightly different kit depending on which model you have. So then we have these really nice boxes that they come in. So they do everything right. So even the little things that don't matter to them, and it gives you confidence in their product. So this here is for a VE Series 1, which is a stage 2 Mantic. So we've got ceramic on this face, which goes on the flywheel side. And on this side we have organic. So that gives you a much higher torque capacity while maintaining some street drivability. The clutch pedal feel on this clutch is almost like standard, it's unbelievable. So then you get your new clutch cover. You have these grooves here, which is exclusive to Mantic. Really nice design, increases the torque capacity as well. Again, really nice colour, which doesn't really matter in the long run because it's going to have a gearbox on it, but again, it's just really nice. Your kit comes with new slave cylinder, spigot bearing, and a tool if you decide to have us post you a kit if you wanted to fit it yourself. So these kits are available this month on a good price. So messages for your model. If you have a sort of a VE Series 2 or VF, it would be a slightly different kit, but we have options for all your needs.
You've got the twin plate organic as well as the stage 1, which is a straight organic.
Try to do it again.